Alright, the EACTEL 256 gigabyte body cam. It's cheap, it's like 30 bucks or something on Amazon. Yeah, I was using this before. I'm re-unboxing it. So in the box you got the micro USB cable. The camera itself, small. I have a 250 or 256. I have a 128 gigabyte card in there. You know, it works fine. You know, and you get your owner's manual. Chinese and English. Alright, so you got the camera, you got the clip, the lens. You got the lens itself, it's rotatable. 180 degrees. You got the clip. Clip it on your clothes. Infrared lights. And you get the controls here. The switches to switch it on. So you got the on-off switch. The, you know, record audio, record video and save switch. And the record audio and save switch. Record video and switch to side to save, and record audio and switch over here to save. The manual says to whichever function you want, whether you want it to keep when you want it to record video or audio. I usually just keep it on that setting. The reason you can switch it off like that is to pause it and then resume it by switching it back, whether it's video or audio. So I just leave it in that setting. Whether I usually record the video, and I just switch the device on or off depending on what I want, because I don't want to mess with all this stuff. It gets confusing. So I just, you know, I have it in video or audio recording mode, and I just switch the device itself on or off. I don't worry about, you know, switching it on then pausing, and, you know, it's confusing. I just leave it in that mode, whatever mode it is, and then switch it on and off, on or off, and that's it. So here you got the indicator light. So if you switch it on, it blinks blue. One, and it stays on blue, and then it blinks 4 times. And now it's recording audio, or now it's recording video, I mean, blue. So if you switch it, because I had it in video mode, if you switch it to audio mode, it'll blink red, and then blink, this side will blink blue, so now it's recording audio. So I just turn it off. Okay, so on the other side you got the this is the infrared. Turn the infrared manual. I hope you can see that. To turn the infrared, this is to turn it on automatic or have it on manual. So if you switch it on this side, the infrared will come on automatically at, no, wait a minute. Oh, never mind that. This is to switch it on manually. So the infrared is on if it's nighttime. If you turn it on manual, and in this side it'll stay off. So on this side it stays on, so you know you're recording in infrared mode. It's hard to see that, I know. And in this, if you switch it over here, it switches back. You know, it's in manual mode, so it won't, the infrared lights won't come on at night automatically. This is the reset button, and here's the you know, the micro SD card slot, and this is the micro USB port. So that's it. Yeah. So what else? It's small, it's cheap. Video quality's okay. Audio quality's okay. At the end of this video, I'll show some video samples, of course. But yeah, it's a nice little camera. See how big it is and how small it is. Alright, so it measures about 3 inches long, and it's about 1 inch wide, a little less than ½ an inch deep, so it's pretty small. I don't think it's waterproof. It doesn't look like it's waterproof. Let me show you what happens when I charge it. I'll include a link in the description where you can get one of these. So yeah, so there it goes. It blinks red when it's charging. Yeah, I'm not sure what happens when it's fully charged, because, you know, it'll turn off or it'll turn another color. I'm not sure. You'll know when it's fully charged. Yeah, so there you go. It's the EACTEL 1080p body cam, mini body cam, hidden body cam, whatever you want to call it. Let me just go over the owner's manual real fast. And then the English side. Okay, so the video formats, it's going to be AVI, USB 2.0. What do they say? High speed. Alright, whatever. 500 milliamp hour lithium battery. 1920 by 1080. Blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, to set the time, you go into a TXT file. When you connect the, when you connect the camera to your computer. Yeah, it tells you how to do all this crap. You can set loop recording and... if you want the watermark, if you don't want the watermark, it tells you how to do all that kind of stuff. So there it is. Yeah. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll include a link in the description if you want to buy it. And yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. This is a test. This is a test of the body camera, mini body camera. Check 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Yeah, I know. Delivered. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, that's it. All right.
Thanks.
Have a good one. Thank you.